Go ahead. Go ahead, play it. Right now. Right now, right now.
Nick, don't look at me. Nick!
Just let it happen.
This is embarrassing.
Look at all these little kids. They're all getting trolled right now. Look at all the little kids. Look at all those.
Oh, Nick, older kids. Nick, older kids. Nick.
Okay, we're almost done. One more. Alright, last part. We're going for it. All these little kids. That's Tyler Conover's dad.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's embarrassing.
Oh my god. All these little kids are looking at her.
Alright, one way, buddy. One way, one way, one way.
Alright, we had to say that one.
Ice cream!